Alright, this is a quick tutorial on how to put stuff in balloons. Kids love balloons. And so one of my favorite activities when I'm teaching is just simply putting stuff in balloons. You can even put a balloon in a balloon. So for this Sunday's lesson, we are talking about things that the Holy Spirit helps us. And the post is on Kidology. I'll link it in the description. But if you want to put something in a balloon, the secret is to fold it up. Alright, you want to fold it obviously as small as you can, but you don't want a little square. Alright, so you're going to want to fold it and make it as narrow as you can. So I am just folding this guy up, and you want to get it long and narrow like this, and then you take your balloon. I've got some purple and green because I have two services and I don't want to mess up. So I'm making one service green balloons and one service I am doing purple balloons. So you just feed the balloon, the piece of paper down into the balloon. You kind of work it down in there and pull it up, and boom, you now have an object inside the balloon. And you blow it up, and now you've got a balloon with a piece of paper inside. So we're going to have 4 balloons with 4 verses inside. The kids are going to come up, they're going to race to pop their balloons, and then they're going to read the verse, and then obviously I will give profound commentary on such read verse. If you struggle getting a big piece of paper in a balloon, or your balloon isn't big enough, you can also just put a Bible reference on a smaller piece of paper and roll it up. In the link for this Holy Spirit object lesson, I actually provide that as well. So it's super easy. In fact, this went really fast, so I'm going to do a real quick bonus. How do you put a balloon inside a balloon? Well, you roll up the first balloon. It's best to get some clear balloons, all right? And then you literally just roll the first balloon into the second balloon. Now, you can go in kind of hard. This one's sliding in pretty easy. You can also reach in the bottom and grab it. And that's another way that you can pull it down through. Once you get it in looking like that, you fold this one over, and you're going to blow up the outside one about halfway. Then you're going to blow up the inside one. I shouldn't have to say this, but the inside one has to be smaller than the outside one. The cool thing is, once you've done that, you can let go of the outside one. It is not going anywhere, all right? Because the inside one is sealing it. You can tie this off, and there you go. And then you're going to just push it in there, and boom, let it go. And once it's inside there, it's bouncing around. Now, you can't see it. That's where clear balloons or a transparent balloon are best. But if you really want to do double the fun, double the trouble, you put the balloon, the notes that they're trying to get to, in the balloon, inside the balloon. If you want to do balloon inside a balloon inside a balloon, go for it. I've never done it. I don't even know if it'll work. But that's how you do the balloon game. Kids love it. They love popping balloons.